Hello and welcome to this cooking tutorial. Today we're going to be making a deliciously crunchy fried chicken in the air fryer, and it's so easy, you'll never go back to a deep fryer again. To start, we'll need some ingredients you can find in your local grocery store. In the spice aisle, grab paprika, ground black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, dried oregano, and all-purpose flour. In addition to these spices, you'll also need cornstarch, buttermilk, boneless skinless chicken thighs, and cooking spray. The cooking spray can either be canned or you can use a refillable oil mister filled with olive oil, vegetable oil, or avocado oil. Before we start cooking, let's set up our kitchen. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees F. If your air fryer doesn't have a preheat function, let it warm up for at least 5 minutes before adding the chicken. Next, mix together the paprika, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne powder, and oregano in a small bowl. In a separate large bowl, combine the flour and cornstarch, and then add 1 1/4 tablespoons of the spice mixture. Mix everything together with a whisk. In another bowl, mix the buttermilk and the remaining spice mixture. To make our dredging process easier, set up a dredging station by placing the chicken thighs on a cooking rack with parchment paper or foil underneath to catch any drips. Then, place the buttermilk mixture and flour mixture next to the chicken. Now, it's time to start dredging. Take each chicken thigh and place it into the buttermilk mixture, fully coating it. Let any excess buttermilk drip off, and then coat each side in the flour mixture. After coating each piece, spray it lightly with cooking spray to ensure a crunchy coating. It's time to air fry. Place the coated chicken into the air fryer basket, and air fry for 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure to flip the chicken over when 5 minutes remain on the timer. Depending on the size of your air fryer, you may need to work in batches. Once done, the chicken should be a beautiful golden brown color with an internal temperature of 165 degrees F, and that's it. Our delicious and crunchy air fryer fried chicken is ready to be served. Enjoy it on its own or with your favorite sides, like mashed potatoes, biscuits, or green beans. And if you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. To reheat, warm in the air fryer at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes, until heated through. So, there you have it folks, a perfectly crispy air fryer fried chicken made in no time. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it turned out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.